She points, I think I'm at double.
Hey, shoot!
I'm at 6 in Alvarado. There's a lady with a gun. She's fired. I'm calling her. Calling 911 right now. She's shooting randomly in the park. She is a Caucasian lady, short pants, pink top, black and white baseball cap, blonde hair. She's got a carry bag, and she's headed south in the middle of the park, right near the lake. She's been shooting right now.
Rampart unit shooting in progress, 6 in Alvarado. Suspect is a female, white, 5'7", 30 to 40 years, with blonde hair, wearing a pink shirt, white shorts, blue jacket tied at her waist, white tennis shoes, armed with a .45 caliber handgun, shooting at the birds. Suspect is walking southbound in the middle of the park near the lake. Code 3 incident 2856-3245.
An air unit arrived overhead. The suspect pointed her handgun at the air unit before continuing to walk through the park. Patrol officers arrived on scene and tracked the suspect as she walked along the shoreline of the lake. That suspect was later identified as Michelle Renee Laricia. The officers attempted to communicate with Laricia, giving her commands to drop the gun. Despite the officers' commands, Laricia pointed the handgun at the officers and an officer-involved shooting occurred. After being struck by gunfire, Laricia dropped her handgun and continued to walk eastbound, ignoring officers' commands. A 40mm less lethal launcher was deployed. Laricia entered the lake, where she remained for over 2 hours. She eventually exited the lake and was taken into custody.
She just pointed the gun at the helicopter. Verified that she shooting around them?
Where is she?
Yeah, she's still she's working on it. And you guys
I got her.
Shut down southbound traffic. We're going to ride now.
She's right there.
Shut down traffic at Alvarado.
Oh, there she is. Watch out, okay?
Southbound traffic.
She still got the gun or not?
Yeah.
I got her dead to rights, so somebody's help.
Get you out of the area.
Dude.
You know, it's in Lake West Valley. You're on crossfire. She's walking.
Dude. They're retarded.
Yeah, she's on the
She's still armed or not? Hey! She's still armed! Hey, I'm gonna move up with them. Hey! Hey! She's still armed or not? Hey! She's still armed or not? Okay.
Over here, we're trying to...
Where do you want to move? Just tell me where to move.
Over here?
Hey! Sidewalk! Where is she? I can't see her. You see her? I can't see her from her.
On the north side of the concrete building.
I got it.
Hey, you guys! Hey!
Hey!
Get out of there! Hey!
left hand again.
Hey!
Placing the back in her front waistband. Gonna go.
Hey! Get out of there! Hey! Get out of
Back
there!
inside her waistband. Blue steel and
Hey!
front
Hey!
waistband.
You! Yeah!
collection is going to be a pearl, stainless steel, a handgun, and back inside of the waist.
Really have a better shot on this side, bro.
The problem is I got the fence and these trees.
Still got, and it's currently in the waistband. She's walking now, back on the move. Slowly kind of moving westbound.
Get out of there! Get out of there!
Hey, I'm gonna move that tree. I don't have angle from here.
Right here, partner. Right here, partner. Get over here, partner. Get over here, partner.
And now walking west.
I gotta.
Outside.
Hey, tell her to drop the gun.
Drop the gun! Stop! Drop the gun!
Drop the gun!
Stop! Drop the gun!
Hey, back off, man!
Drop it! Drop the gun!
Drop it!
Hey, drop the gun! Okay, hey, do me a favor! Hey, listen, you're fine, don't point! Drop it! Drop the gun!
She points, I think I'm a double.
She's pointing. Hey, shoot! Okay, drop the gun! Drop the gun! Turn around! Turn around!
Haven't already.
Turn around!
Stage.
Turn around! Throw the gun! Throw the gun to the side!
But still moving around. No close quarters.
Don't reach for the gun!
Don't reach for the gun! Don't do it!
Motion Alvarado.
Why, okay. Start walking to your side. Start walking to your side.
All units, hold your position. We have a rescue team that's moving up.
No! Go in the back!
On the south side.
Come over here! Hey, start walking toward me away from the gun!
Suspect stands up on her feet. And looks like she has a bottle of water in her hand. Still standing on the south side of the park.
hit her from here? Why don't we hit her with the 40 from here?
You want to advise him?
Hey, let's hit her with the 40!
That's lethal.
Hold on, already. The suspect is still,
Before she gets away.
mobile.
You gotta get her before she gets away.
We're moving on! She does not have the gun!
Get on the ground! Get on the fucking ground!
How you doing? Kim! Okay? Hey, the gun is down here on the ground!
Do not move!
Hey, arrest him! You guys are taking over as arrest team over there to your right. Hey, you guys take over as arrest team. You got the gun right here.
Roger that.
Be careful in case she has another.
Roger that. Are you guys ready to move up?
Hey,
Hold on. Hey, slow down. Hey, this team over here on the right's gonna move up, all right?
Lay down the ground.
Let's see if we can give her commands to see if she complies, and then we'll start approaching. She doesn't have the gun anymore, so let's just slow it down.
I'll take just to get closer. Okay, just get on the ground. Just do me a favor. Get on the ground. Lay down on the ground. Don't reach in your bag. Don't reach in your bag. Just lay down on the ground and turn around and put your hands on your back. Ma'am, listen, we're here to help you, okay? You're not going to get arrested. We're going to take you to a hospital right now.
You have a keypad
Take you to a hospital.
south
We're going to help you, okay?
from the
Just lay
southwest corner of the
Just
park.
lay on your stomach. Just lay on your stomach.
Hey, you guys want to creep?
Okay, okay.
You guys want to creep?
I'm going to walk up. I'll talk to you. You guys get
You respond with the code, you respond, you know where you
Slow.
I just want... Hey, shit!
She's gonna try and run.
Oh shit, she got shot! God damn!
Come here. Don't go in the water anymore. Hey, don't get pulled in here.
Lay down.
Ow! Ow!
Just get up.
Ow! Ow!
Self-resistant. Just relax. It's all relax. Move. That's the one right here. That's fine.
Ow! Don't piss on there!
Got it. Go for it.
Go for it.
Fuck you, I am relaxed.
Law Los Angeles Fire Department paramedics transported Lauricia to a local hospital where she was treated for gunshot wounds to her torso and right arm. Lauricia was released from the hospital after 3 days and cleared for booking. Lauricia was transported and booked into a jail facility. Investigators recovered Lauricia's handgun at the scene and booked it as evidence. On April 6, 2021, the Los Angeles County District Attorney's Office filed the following charges on Lauricia: 4 counts of assault with a firearm on a police officer, 1 count of negligent discharge of a firearm, and additional charges are being considered for animal cruelty. Michelle Renee Lauricia is a 43-year-old resident of Los Angeles.